Thanks for tuning in today. I wanted to invite you to do a walkthrough of this gorgeous home we have in the Harter Heights area, Canton, Ohio. And the address is 324 Linwood Avenue, Northwest Canton, Ohio. And it's over 1,300 square feet, plus a partially finished rec room and a private backyard. So let's take a quick look through. So right now I'm in the living room, and there's actually a formal dining room. So let's take a look here. So right here, I'm gonna give you the view out the front. So you have like a nice front porch. Check it out. Charming brick street. So the minute you walk in the door, the light will adjust, but it's a fireplace, a wood-burning fireplace. And it's kind of a primitive decor, natural woodwork, French door. And then the foyer has a wood floor. So side by side of the fireplace, you have some built-ins, right? Wood-burning fireplace, formal dining room here. Check it out. And then you have these French doors that lead to the back. So check this out. So there's the backyard. It's all fenced in. And then, of course, you got a nice patio. And then right here's the deck. Okay. Look at the building you have here. So that's nice, right? A hutch, a corner hutch, crown molding. And now we're going to go into the kitchen. The kitchen has like a ceramic tile, oak cabinetry, raised panel, dishwasher. Let me get you a little closer. And then check out this nook. Isn't this charming? So it's a laminate floor. Looks like wood. Got some replacement windows. Let's take another look over here, see what you see out the window. Yeah, give you an idea. Nice two-car detached garage. All right. Let's go downstairs to the rec room. Okay, so now I'm downstairs. It's a partially finished rec room with an area rug and then cement. So of course, you can always do something to paint it or make it look a little bit more dressier. There's your water heater in this little room. Okay, and then let's peek over here in the utility room. Over here, you have your washer and dryer, a little storage room, 100 amp electric service, high efficiency furnace. Let's take a closer look at that. Comfort maker. I don't know if you can read that, but the white pipes mean it's high efficient. Okay. So yeah, it's a nice little rec space for added bonus space here. Okay. Okay, so at the top of the steps, you have some natural woodwork. Of course, a peek into the bathroom. And then you have a linen closet and a door, emergency exit. And then you have bedroom number 1, right, with a closet. Bedroom number 2 with a built-in. Okay. And then number 3. Now I'm going to take you up to the 3rd floor and show you the bonus space. So up here, as you can see, a little bonus space. It's more like a playroom. Okay, so now I'm on the deck and a big driveway, 2-car detached garage. Let's take a quick look. Vinyl sided, architectural dimensional roof. AC's running, nice warm day today. So it's all private. Big yard. Check it out. So you can make a garden back here, which would be really fun. Big yard. Check it out. So you can make a garden back here, which would be really fun. So that's what we have going on. So in closing, I'd like to say, if you're interested in seeing more about this property located in Canton, which is in the Harter Heights area, give me a call, Dominic Fonte, at 330-418-1535. Call or text